tell me, at what's the right time to start essays practice?
Sir, I would say the right time is today because essay writing takes time, it takes effort, and it takes a lot of introspection, reflection. And it's not something that can be done in 1 month or a course throughout a course. It is something that has to be improved daily. If I had to take my essay exam even today, the next time, or anywhere else, I would be working on it. I would be working on the arguments, I would be working on the minor changes that I have to.
Yeah, this is one of my peeve points. कि ऐसे 250 मार्क का पेपर है, but students don't put in more than 1 week, 10 days, and sometimes just before the mains. So, I would always recommend this. Essays writing is less about writing, it's more about thinking. It's more about developing that insight into dissecting issues, how to develop arguments. It's lot of critical analysis. So, आप essay writing को एक अलग task बना के last तक ना छोड़ें. So, when you're reading articles, एक तो आप बताइए what type of articles were you reading for essays or current affairs reading for essays?
Nothing in particular for the essays, but I like to read my Indian Express with my tea every day in the morning.
Newspaper Indian Express, okay,
Yeah.
perfectly fine.
So Indian Express has various articles. Some articles or some writers I admired. Leher Kala.
Leher Kala, okay.
She is a filmmaker. She writes on Indian Express. She writes quite effectively on the social and the psychological issues that are currently in the news.
Okay.
The Speaking Tree, I think from the
The Philosophical Times of India.
Times of India,
Yes.
can also be relevant. Additionally, I followed a website, the Electric Typewriter, which has a list.
Is a blog website or?
It's kind of a website which has links to various essays, good essays written on newspapers or other
Electric
websites.
Typewriter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One can find good essays on various topics listed on that website just to enhance the knowledge or to understand how great writers write themselves.
And all these blogs, okay, on Substack, even those are pretty good readings.
Even Substack blogs are good. I used to follow a lot of blogs on public policy. I would not say that I followed something for essay specifically, but even on public policy, one can find various blogs.
So basically, your reading width has to be beyond mechanical GS coverage. कि article science economy पढ़ लिया, environment पढ़ लिया, and jottings are around environment facts, IR ka facts. Reading is a holistic exercise. In fact, I personally, I have learnt a lot reading the Sunday supplements of the newspaper. वो हिंदू का हो, एक्सप्रेस का हो, the Sunday supplements has lot of diverse themes. And the Sunday newspaper, Times of India also, there are articles by different scholars. So you have to go beyond the GS mechanical reading.
So there are long stories published by Indian Express and the Hindu.
Long stories, okay.
Yeah, they cover the issues from the perspective of the people in that region. For example, I can remember having read issues on Naxalism. There were long stories that were covering the perspective of people who were living there. So that makes one empathetic, that makes one appreciate the complexity of the issues.
Wow, marvelous, marvelous.